gonna just put the microfiber towel. You can either do like fold your towel in fourths, or I usually do like a half fold, and I just apply heat. Kind of midway through, we'll check and see our progress. You can tell it's already gotten quite a bit. What I love about this particular steam cleaner I use is it also has a soap detergent injector. So I'm going to spray it with a little bit of detergent. So that's just going to break it up a little bit more. And then just kind of wipe it away.